In today's video, I am going to walk you through the absolute easiest way to update your Steam client to the latest version. Steam is constantly releasing new patches, security updates, and interface improvements, so keeping your software up to date is essential for a smooth gaming experience and access to the latest platform features. Whether you are running into bugs, experiencing slow download speeds, or just want to make sure your library is functioning perfectly, this guide will show you how to handle updates quickly and efficiently. If this video helps you get back to your games faster, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on all our future tech tutorials. Let's get started right now. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once the application is loaded and you are looking at your library or the storefront, look toward the very top left corner of your screen. You will see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on Steam in the top menu to bring up the primary application settings. Inside this drop-down menu, you are looking for a specific option called Check for Steam Client Updates. Clicking this will trigger the software to manually ping the Valve servers to see if your current version matches the latest release available to the public. This is a great habit to get into if you feel like your client is acting up or if you know a major UI overhaul has just been released. Now, if an update is available, you do not need to do much else. Steam will automatically begin the download and installation process once it communicates with the servers. You will usually see a small progress bar appear at the bottom of the window or a notification letting you know that the download is in progress. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the patch, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. It is important during this phase that you do not close the application or shut down your computer, as this could potentially corrupt the installation files. Once the download and background installation are complete, Steam will notify you that it needs to be restarted for the changes to take effect. Click the prompt to restart Steam. The application will close itself out completely and then relaunch you. During this relaunch phase, you will see a small dedicated update window showing the extraction and application of the new files into your local directory. This final step ensures that the old files are replaced and that the new version of the client is running natively on your operating system. After the restart is finished, you will be back at your login screen or your main library page, and your client will be fully updated. If you ever find that Steam is not updating through this method, you can also try restarting your computer entirely, as this often forces the bootstrapper to check for new versions upon startup. Keeping your client fresh ensures that your games launch properly and that your account remains secure through the latest encrypted login protocols. If this step-by-step walkthrough was helpful for you and made the process easier to understand, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Your engagement really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making these clear, concise guides for gamers everywhere. If you have any questions or run into any specific errors while trying to update your client, feel free to drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you troubleshoot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.